I'm going to try and get some funny moments on different servers of this game. I might get the ban for copyright music, but this is a Roblox music. This is part of the Roblox game. So let's see how. Yeah, I'm sick. I'm going faster. Oh, no. Guys, I found the face cam. But can I make it? You can put it somewhere else. I'm gonna put it down here. I don't need a jump. Anyway, let's join a different server. Hands going over the camera all the time. So I'm just gonna flip. Hold on, let me just flip. Hey, my hand's not going over the camera. Oh, I was the only one on the server. Oh well. I'm gonna join the current server. Okay, now trip. Oh my god. Now I'm a. Okay, so I should be able to get as many funny moments on this server because I did see something funny happen. There was this one time I was on the track until a train came falling down on top of my train, and then I just fell over. I'm just telling a funny moment. Oh shoot! Oh no! That's my train! No! Bro crashed. Bro probably. Oh my god! Hey, he's driving. Well, there you go, guys. Another funny moment ticked off. Can I expand this? I'll make this bigger. No, I can't. Like, if I click on the camera, I'm just gonna change it around up here. Oh my god. Hold on. Anyway, I'm gonna try and capture the next funny moment for you guys. But by the way, this train has still crashed. No. I'm bored already. Let's see if I can get Titan. It's the Black Man. The Black Man. Do you see his name? Guys, see his name? He was there. He was in this area. Some people probably wonder, oh my god, there's a crash! I was not looking at the camera for like 2 seconds and there was already a crash. Crash number 2. Next, we're gonna react to some videos you guys have sent. I mean, new viewers. Another funny moment captured, I guess. Oh my god. Okay. That was really unexpected. Can I move? Hold on. I have to be looking at the camera at the same time at the screen. Like, I'm looking at the camera. It looks like I'm looking at the screen. I'm looking at the screen. It looks like I'm looking at the camera. Hold on, chat. I feel like I can. Are you trying to run over me? Yeah, bro, trouble tried to spawn on top. Come on. Oh, black man. No, I'm stuck. Oh no, it's stuck. Mozzarella cheese. Cheeseburger. Okay, kitty, you can have cheeseburger. How did I miss the train? Beep. Go. Yes. I might as well go faster. Go. Did you see that train? It was glitching. Well, another funny moment caught. Captured. Another funny moment captured. I'm just trying to make that laugh. That's all I want to do. And I put too much on it. Oh. Why did I have the green screen? Oh no. Oh, I'm hanging. Oh no, now I'm not. Really funny moment caught. But seriously, why did I have the green screen? It was glitching.
I hate it.
It's glitching so much. I think it's this server has so much going on. It's there it was again.
There was a lot of breaking in
There's apparently you can get run over by a train. Come on, move that train! Move your flippin' train, please. Ahem. Did you not listen to me? You know what, I'm gonna try and get VIP. His name is literally has VIP in it because he's a VIP. Come on. Move. Bro. Reset. Reset. Good. John doesn't know how this works.
You should have just told him to move this big fat ass train.
Anya, stop saying those words. You're not allowed to. This is also YouTube, by the way. So you're not allowed to say words. You're not allowed to do a lot of stuff, mate. Yippee! Now I'm gonna run over you guys. If the crashing thing happens again, oh, I'm getting glitchy. My script. No. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. See you next video. Guess time to end it now. I'm just gonna turn off the face cam. Hope you guys enjoyed.